Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Please go ahead, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a video. So a few persons reached out to me about research referencing, and so today I'm going to do a tutorial about research referencing in APA format in the 6th edition. So let's dive right into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I googled this article, stressful nursing job. So the author's name is there, which is Will Erstad, and this article was done on the 12th of February 2019. Now this is, I would say, is a good article to use. Why? Because it was done last year. Normally they recommend that you don't use article that is more than 5 years old, and so I'm happy that I found this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this part right here. Oh, why is it cut? Okay, so I'm going to copy this part right here, and then I'm going to paste it in Microsoft Word. So normally for APA format 6th edition, they recommend 10 New Romans 12 font, and they also recommend double spaces. So here we are. Okay, great. Normally when you're doing your research, you want to use transitional words in your document so that your information can flow. So if I was supposed to do something like this, I would start off just like this without me writing anything in my own words or whatnot. What I'll do, I'll just put according to. You can use other words if you want to. So I'll just put according to, and then I'll put the author's last name. And then what I will do is bracket 2019 because that's the year when the article was done. And then I put a comma. So according to Erstad 2019, nursing has always sounded like an appealing profession. So now that I will say is a nice paragraph with your citation. If I want to put this at the, bear in mind that you will change this end to capital, common end rather. And then if I want to put this at the end of the paragraph, what I'll do, I'll take this out, I'll put back this end in capital N, and then what I'll do is I'll paste this right here, take out the comma, put full stop, remove this. So for if you're putting the citation at the end of the paragraph, this is how it is written. So everything will be in bracket instead of just the 2019 as you have it at the beginning of the paragraph. So that is how you will write it. I'm going to show you a way how Microsoft Word can actually reference it for you. Just put the information in it. So for instance, I want it at the ending again. What I will do is I'll go to reference, and then I'll go insert citation and source. The author's name was Will, capital W, Will Erstad. And then what I will do, I'll go back on the page, and I will copy right here, taking a closer look. Go back to Microsoft Word, and I'll put that right here. And then the web page is, I think it's College, because normally you can't go back right here and I'll copy it. For you, if you want to place that in reference, my quotes up right there. Then I'll go down on a new page, and what I'll do, go to reference right here, and then you ensure that you see that this is in New Times Roman, and then the font is 12, and then you have double space because, as I said, this is what they recommend in the 6th edition. But for this, I will take out retrieve from right here. Got that. I'll have that right there. I'll put this right here because full stop right there, and then I'll put retrieve from, and then this would be in the citation, the website rather, would be in a line by itself, and this is how you will do it. You will make sure the reference is centered. You always ensure that the reference is centered and it is in a black, no color. Make sure it is in black, and you can bold it if you wish to. Ta-da! Okay, so for instance, now you're doing a research where the article does not have an author name, it only probably have a business name or just the website only. Let me take it to a site that I just copied right here. So for instance, I want to copy right here. I want to copy this whole paragraph, and of course when you're copying from the internet, read before you do so, and also make sure your grammar is in check before you go ahead and do this. So the website is Osmed, and it was published on the 9th of June 2015. Then again, this is okay because relatively okay because it is not over 5 years. So what I'll do is put it here, I'll paste again right there, and if I want to put it at the end of the paragraph, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and write it in, or you can use reference, Microsoft reference if you want, like what I just did not too long ago. So I'll put 2015 right here. So pretty much instead of using the author name, because there's no author, you just go ahead and use the business, the website name. And of course that's exactly how you would have written it in the reference. Instead of W dot, you would just use the business name, and then you'll just put 2015 right here instead of 20. You'll just change the date rather with the business name, and it's just the same format. It's just that there's no name for the author, so you just use the website name rather. So thank you so much, and I really hope that this is helpful. If you really need me to do other citation or other videos like this, you can always DM me. I'm on my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, I'm on Twitter also. So if you want to reach out and just let me do more videos like this, you can do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.